want to embrace the originality of our iconic and extremely rare 1960s Mini, but enhance its weaker elements.
I'm just in love with it. As soon as I see it, it puts a big smile on my face.
I wanted to keep it as an 850, so I've done that. Haven't touched the block, focused only really on the top end. So I reckon we might get a decent amount of poke out of this, you know.
Sounds like we're going to get a lot more than a decent amount of poke.
Yes! Oh my goodness, that sounds amazing. Listen to it.
Oh yeah!
Listen to that.
Oh, already I'm just like, yep, I'm in love.
You're in your happy place.
I'm in
already.
my very, very happy place.
Great, it drives incredibly well. I'm really pleased.
But what about the brakes? Oh mate, arrow straight.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah. So I'm fitting 7.5-inch discs to our Mini. Larger ones with a bigger surface area would give us more stopping power, but to be honest, these are going to be ample for our little daily driver. And on top of that, anything bigger would also mean increasing the wheel size, and that has the potential to dramatically change the appearance of our little 60s icon. Don't want to do that.
Elvis, look how good it looks as well. You've been working hard, haven't you?
It does look good and it does sound good, and to hear it coming from you, mate, the Mike Brewer seal of approval on a Mini, well, that means a lot.